Hey guys, it's Danita. It is day four of the DHerbs full body cleanse. And yeah, I'm down to not really knowing what I want to eat. I stopped by Zaxby's. I was gonna get one of their salads without the meat. I was gonna have them put the meat to the side and then take it over to my mom's and my grandkids. But then once I was sitting in line, I was like, okay, but I'm gonna have to tell them to no cheese and all that stuff. So I'm like, okay, I just left. So I just decided I'm just gonna make me a juice for tonight. So I have my tomatoes already cut up. I'll put my tomatoes in. I have some apples. And I'll put in some carrots. Probably about 2 sticks and break them up. All right. Put in a couple of ice cubes, although they're not distilled water ice cubes. And some distilled water. Probably about a cup. So I will put the top on my Ninja blender. And I'll come back and show you what it looks like so you don't have to hear all the noise. And guys, here's what it looks like. It's orange, so the carrots took over the color, over the tomato. Yeah, I've tasted it. I added another apple. I also put some sea salt and pepper in it. I'll just say it's healthy. I'm gonna go ahead and drink this for my dinner. I'll have an orange later if I'm still hungry. And we're gonna go ahead and get through this day 4, guys, because tomorrow is the 5th day, the last day, and I will be happy. But I stuck with it. I did everything I was supposed to do. And yeah, got through this 5-day, guys. As long as I get through tonight, which I will. And tomorrow, we'll be finished. I will talk to you later, guys. You have a great night and be blessed. Bye-bye. So, guys, I had to come back on and let you know that I had to do something else. I was not going to be satisfied with the taste because, for one, I don't like the taste of tomatoes all the time. And although the color of the smoothie was orange, I could taste the tomatoes. So I added a banana and it made it much better, guys. I'll be able to drink this and enjoy it and feel satisfied. So I did want to come back and let you know that I did add a banana and it made a difference. I hope you enjoy all of these videos, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.